Hello! Hello! So I am here. I want to show you how you clean your Young Living diffusers. Anyway, I love my diffusers. I have had, well, let's see. I started off with Dewdrop. Got it in April of 2017. We are in April of 2019 and it's still going strong. Then I got the home diffuser, not this past Christmas, 2018, Christmas of 2017. So I've had it a little over a year, still going strong. So 2 years, a little over a year, and just got this one a couple months ago, Desert Mist, and it's still going strong. So I love my Young Living diffusers. They last a very long time if you take care of them. They're fantastic. They don't topple over easily. I've bought diffusers on like Amazon and other sites that were cheaper, and you know, you literally pay for what you get. They were cheaper and they didn't last long and they broke or they leaked, and I didn't like them. So I love my Young Living diffuser. So I'm going to show you how you maintain it and clean it. So with essential oils over time, especially if you use a lot of citrus oils, which I like to use, they do start to stain the diffuser, and that's just normal. So you need to clean them. What you need is rubbing alcohol. And I think it was with the home diffuser, I got this cute little spongy cleaning tool. If you don't have it, you can use a cloth. I like microfiber, so you can use a little cotton cloth, or you can use kitchen paper towel. I like to use as much reusable as I can, so I'm not wasting so much. So cloths or this little cute little spongy thing is great. So what you want to do is, obviously you want to make sure that there's no water in the diffuser. So there isn't. I have not cleaned this one out in a very long time. Ah! So yeah, she needs some loving. So I'm going to put these over here. This was a beautiful one. It's called the home diffuser. And I like it. It makes like a nice little humming sound, like a white noise. So I like that when I'm sleeping. And it's my favorite color top, purple. It does not change colors though, so it doesn't have a color to it. I should have popped that beforehand. But yeah, so I like this one, and it's like a pretty tulip shape, and it's a pretty nice size too. So we're gonna clean all that gunk out. So actually, I'm gonna use the cloth first. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my little spongy first. So I kind of just put it in there and get some rubbing alcohol on it, get it nice and soaked. And I'm gonna get it and just basically clean all that. Can you see it? All that gunk just coming off, all that oily residue that's left over. Now I have not cleaned this one in a while. I really should have been keeping up with it. I'm just gonna kind of dip it in this water, just kind of take off whatever I can. That's just regular tap water. And then just kind of do that. And put a little bit. Alcohol is good for disinfecting it and cleaning it off. I've read that you can also use vinegar. Vinegar is a good way. Trying to not get any liquid in that little opening right there where it says do not pour water into here, so you don't want to do that. So I don't know if you could see, but I'm kind of just going around trying to clean it off. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it fully back to its original white because I've let it go for so long. I've slacked on this one. Sorry, my little beautiful home diffuser friend. But you could see that little blob of liquid there. So I'm just going to go in here and clean it out. I've also read where some people will put vinegar inside and let the vinegar diffuse out. Psst, Maloney, get down. My cat's trying to jump up on the table. I've read where people will try to let the vinegar diffuse through the diffuser. I guess you could do that. I just don't want to have vinegar diffusing in my home. I'm not a big fan of the smell. It's great to use it for cleaning some things, but I just don't want to do that. So I'm just using some rubbing alcohol and kind of just trying to wipe out as much of the gunk that I can. You definitely want to have more upkeep with your diffuser and don't let it go as long as I did. But look at that, it's looking better. Yay. Yeah, it just helps with maintaining it and keeping it clean and purty. So it's looking pretty good compared to what it was before. So yeah, FYI, don't let it go so long. All right, and then this part, it's a little bit as well. And I'm gonna kind of do this one too. I don't want to get this thing stuck in there too much. There you go. And just kind of rub the little alcohol around it. Helps break off any leftover oily gunk. See that? And then just kind of dry it off. I think you can use water too, I'm guessing, but I think the alcohol is a much better option because it's also disinfecting it and getting it cleaner. See if I want to try and get into that hole. Oh, this is where I should have gotten 2 Q-tips, duh. Yeah, so I forgot to bring Q-tips to the table. I kind of just jam it in there. But Q-tips would come in handy, right, for that little hole where the air comes out through. So yeah, I have to get Q-tips. I'm actually out of Q-tips, or else I would be doing it with Q-tips. But, so you get the point. So get some Q-tips up in there too. And then I like to air it out. So I'll just have it aired out for a while. Sit over there. So that was the home diffuser. This bad boy over here is called Dewdrop. See, this one doesn't have as much of a stain over here either. A little bit. But I've let it go for a while. I wanted to make this video, so I figured now's a good time to let my diffusers get all beautiful and gunky so you could see how to clean them. Once again, some alcohol. And just kind of swirl it around. Look at that. It's already lightening it up. And you want to get it right in that plate too, where, see that? Look how it's already, see that little side right there where it's already lightening it up? Where it's already cleaning it off. And then you can see all the liquid. See that? From all the oils. And just kind of clean it up. Clean that, wipe that off. And when you diffuse it the first time, it may have a little bit of alcohol smell to it. If you have any lingering alcohol in there, I'm gonna go over it again with just a little bit of wet cloth after when I'm all done showing you. Just to kind of try to get as much of the alcohol off that I can. But that's how you do it. See that? So yeah, you can do it with vinegar too, I've read. I just don't want to. I want to do it with alcohol. I'm an alcohol kind of chick. See that? Already getting prettier. And I want to tell you a little tip, give you a little secret. Wink, wink. That's getting cleaner already. So I'm just going to put that to the side. And the last one that I have is the beautiful Desert Mist. I love it because it makes, I think, about 10 different colors. It changes colors like red, pink, purple, green, yellow, orange, white, blue, fuchsia. It's beautiful. Little tip with this one. If you put your middle finger, because it's the longer one, like this, and hold it like this, you can put water in it from the faucet, and then just fill it up like that. So you don't need a cup. Look at that! Little Young Living hack right there. So you can't do it with this one. I tried it once, but there's a little opening right here, so it won't work. But yeah, definitely you want to get a Q-tip and get into the little holes too, which I'm out of, so I'll have to do that another day. So this one's not as bad. See that? Not as bad. And again, same scenario. Get a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and kind of give it a little whirl, and it starts to clean it off. And you can use, like I said, if you don't have this type of brush, thingy, whatever it's called, You see that little liquid right there? See that? That's just the alcohol and the leftover oils and stuff coming off. If you don't have this, you could just use like Q-tips, kitchen paper towel. I'm just splashing it in through the water. A cloth, you know, just something to just wipe it off. I'm gonna have to put that cloth in the washing machine. And just kind of, look at that. See? So much prettier now, right? All right, and then you just clean that out as well. So that is my little tip for the day, how to clean your essential oil, the Young Living diffusers at least. And then just air them out, which I'll do after I put them together just to show you a pretty picture of them. And that's how you clean the Young Living diffusers. Ta-da! So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything else, just drop me a line and subscribe to my channel. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Bye.